Hi boys and girls, welcome back to the music lesson. In the next few weeks, we're going to be writing a song. We're going to be making a composition. So today we're going to do the step 1, then next week step 2, and so on. So make sure you do the step 1 today so we can continue on next week. We're going to be using our iPads to create our songs. So you'll be using Garageband. Okay, so here's the rhythm pattern. Let's try it together, and then you're going to pause the video and copy the rhythm pattern down. So it's going to go like this. Ti, ti, ta, tika, tika, ta, tika, tika, sh, ti, ti, ta. Okay, let's try it one more time. Ti, ti, ta, tika, tika, ta, tika, tika, sh, ti, ti, ta. Okay, now pause the video and copy down the rhythm on a piece of paper. All right, and today, listen careful to the steps, and then you're going to create your own drum rhythm pattern. So, let's open GarageBand and get started. All right, so first of all, find this logo and click on GarageBand. And you're going to click on the plus on the top left to create a new song. Then, when you press on you're going to see so many different types of instruments. Keyboards, string instruments, world instruments, but what we're looking for is the drums. For now, on the bottom, you see a little circle with 3 dots. It says More Sounds. Click on the circle More Sounds and select the Chinese kit. Okay, when you select it, you're going to find a beautiful kit of lovely drums that we're going to play together. So make sure you have your paper ready with your rhythms. You're going to need it to practice the drums first before you do any recording. So that's my recording, and it's just my practicing. Click on the wrench on the top right. We're going to change the tempo, so it's not so fast. I'm going to change mine to 80, and I want you to do the same, please. Then click on the wrench again, and it will go away. Then we're ready to record. After you have practiced a few times, then you can record. Click on the red button and get ready. Make sure you're reading from the paper very carefully. Ti, ti, ta. Tika, tika, ta. Tika, tika, sh. Ti, ti, ta. And when you're done, press stop. Fantastic. Now you're ready to save. Click on My Songs and open up that page. Okay, then we have to rename the song. So you're going to click on that, on My Song, and you'll be able to retype. I want to make sure I know that this is part 1 of the composition and what instrument I played. Then you're going to click on Select in order to share. Then click the Share button on the top left, and you're going to see lots of options where you can share. Many, many, many options. However, this time you will share on Seesaw. So click on the Seesaw and share with Miss Anastasia. Type in your details, who's the composer, and share. You're all ready for Seesaw. Now, some of you may have noticed that there is also iMovie as an option. Now, only if you have used iMovie before, you're allowed to use this to make your song extra special. So you're going to create new movie, and you will find that your song will open up in iMovie. So you can save it like this. It will be black. There will be nothing to it. You can add pictures, you can add videos, or you can save it just like that. So on the top left, you see it says done my movie. And then rename my song by clicking on the title. Again, I'm going to title it so I know what it is for the future. And I'm going to sharing the video. Click on the sharing button. You can share it on Seesaw, or on the bottom you save the video to your iPad. I think that's a better option, and then you will share it on Seesaw. Now I wanted to make mine extra special, so instead of leaving it black, I added a nice picture to my song, to my Chinese drum kit song. So there you have it. Please share your video on Seesaw. I can't wait to see you using the drum sets and presenting your work in a creative way. Okay, and I'll see you next week in a live session. Bye-bye.